Welcome back to AgriTech Smart. Tomatoes are one of the most widely cultivated and consumed vegetables in the world. From fresh salads to sauces, juices, and processed products, tomatoes play an essential role in both culinary traditions and the agricultural economy. Modern farming techniques have transformed how tomatoes are grown, enabling farmers to achieve higher yields, better quality, and more sustainable production. In this article, we will explore the complete journey of tomato farming, from planting seeds and nurturing the crop to harvesting and processing, along with innovative and sustainable practices that are shaping the future of agriculture. The tomato is a warm season crop that thrives in sunny climates with well-drained soil and moderate temperatures. It is highly adaptable, making it one of the most commonly grown crops around the world. Tomatoes can be cultivated in open fields, greenhouses, or under controlled environments, depending on the production scale and climate conditions. There are many tomato varieties, ranging from small cherry tomatoes to large beefsteak types, each serving different market demands. Beyond its culinary uses, tomatoes are valued for their nutritional benefits. They are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, and contain lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that supports human health. The tomato industry is a vital part of global agriculture, supporting farmers, food processors, exporters, and local communities. Tomato cultivation begins with careful seed selection and nursery preparation. Farmers choose high-quality, disease-resistant seed varieties suited to the local climate and market needs. Seeds are first sown in seed trays or nursery beds filled with nutrient-rich soil, ensuring optimal conditions for germination. Consistent moisture and warm temperatures, around 25 to 30 degrees Celsius, help the seedlings develop strong root systems and healthy green leaves. During this stage, seedlings are monitored closely for pests or fungal diseases to ensure uniform growth. Once the seedlings reach the right size, typically 4 to 6 weeks old, they are transplanted into the field. Farmers prepare the land in advance through plowing, leveling, and incorporating organic matter or compost to enrich the soil. Raised beds or ridges are commonly used to improve drainage and root development. Planting is done with proper spacing to allow good air circulation, reduce disease risks, and support strong fruiting later in the season. Irrigation plays a key role in successful tomato cultivation. Drip irrigation systems are often preferred because they deliver water directly to the root zone, conserving water and keeping the foliage dry, which helps prevent diseases. Along with watering, fertigation, applying fertilizers through irrigation, ensures the plants receive balanced nutrients at each growth stage, from vegetative growth to flowering and fruiting. Throughout the growing period, farmers apply integrated crop management practices. This includes regular weeding, staking or trellising plants to support heavy fruit clusters, and pruning to improve light penetration and airflow. Pest and disease management relies on a combination of biological controls, crop rotation, and targeted pesticide use when necessary. With proper care, the plants grow vigorously, setting the foundation for a productive and high-quality tomato harvest. Tomatoes require precise timing for harvest to ensure they maintain the best flavor, texture, and shelf life. Farmers often plan their harvest schedules based on the tomato variety and market destination. For fresh markets, tomatoes are usually harvested at the breaker stage, when the fruit just begins to turn red but is still firm enough to handle transportation. For local markets or direct consumption, fully ripe tomatoes with deep red color and high sugar content are picked to ensure the best eating quality. The actual harvesting process can involve either manual picking or mechanical harvesting, depending on the farm scale. Manual harvesting allows workers to carefully select fruits at the perfect ripeness, minimizing bruising and damage. Mechanical harvesters, on the other hand, offer efficiency for large-scale farms, collecting vast amounts of fruit quickly. To prevent fruit loss or damage during mechanical harvest, machines are calibrated for gentle handling, and harvesting typically happens in the early morning when temperatures are cooler. After harvesting, tomatoes are immediately placed into clean crates or bins to prevent crushing. They are then transported quickly to packing or cooling facilities. This immediate handling reduces spoilage, preserves quality, and maintains freshness from the field to the market. Once harvested, tomatoes undergo a series of post-harvest processes designed to maintain quality and extend their usability. First, they are sorted to separate damaged, overripe, or underripe fruits from premium quality tomatoes. Grading ensures consistency in size, color, and firmness, which is essential for both fresh markets and processing industries. Next, the tomatoes are washed to remove dust, soil, or pesticide residues. After cleaning, they are cooled and stored in temperature-controlled rooms to slow down ripening and extend shelf life. For fresh consumption, tomatoes are packed in ventilated crates or boxes designed to protect them during transportation. For industrial processing, they are sent to factories where they are transformed into sauces, ketchup, pastes, juices, canned tomatoes, and many other food products. In modern tomato farming, sustainability isn't just a trend. It's a smarter way to grow for the future. Today's farmers are not only focused on yields, but also on protecting the land that sustains us. Across many regions, growers are embracing regenerative farming methods, like planting cover crops, using compost, and reducing tillage to bring life back to the soil. These natural techniques help the earth breathe again, improving fertility while reducing erosion and the need for chemical fertilizers. Technology is also transforming how tomatoes are grown. With AI-powered monitoring systems and satellite imaging, farmers can keep an eye on every inch of their fields, spotting nutrient issues early, tracking plant health, and even predicting weather impacts. Instead of relying on guesswork, decisions are now backed by real-time data, helping every drop of effort count. Many modern farms are also going green with solar-powered irrigation pumps, electric tractors, and smart greenhouse systems that automatically adjust temperature and humidity. These innovations not only save energy, but also make farming cleaner and more efficient. By combining nature-friendly methods with cutting-edge technology, tomato farmers around the world are proving that sustainability and productivity can go hand in hand. It's a powerful step toward a future where every tomato harvested is part of a smarter, greener planet. Tomato farming is more than just planting and harvesting. It's a carefully managed process that combines traditional farming knowledge with modern technology. From seed selection to post-harvest processing, every step contributes to producing high-quality tomatoes for markets worldwide. As sustainable and smart agriculture continues to evolve, tomato farmers are better equipped than ever to meet growing global demand while protecting natural resources. If you love learning about modern agriculture, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AgriTech Smart for more insightful content on farming technology and innovation.